So good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see about the introduction about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used to create a web page, right? So HTML is the most essential programming language used to create a web document, right? So the HTML language is made up of tags. So first we are going to study about the introduction about HTML. So HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is a standard language which is used to build a web pages on the internet, right? So the HTML document is made up of tags. So each and every tag has an open tag and close tag. So the first and foremost tag of a HTML document is the doc type HTML. So for each and every HTML program, the first foremost tag is nothing but doc type HTML tag. Then followed by the root element of the HTML page is the HTML tag. So we know that the HTML tag is always having a paired tag. Paired tag is nothing but each and every tag having an open tag as well as close tag. So for example, P tag, H1 tag, body tag these are all the tags which are having open tag as well as the close tag. So the open tag is a H1 is a open tag. Then the backslash symbol denoted is called as a close tag. There are some few tags which has only the open tag alone, so which is called as a void tag. So the example of void tag is image tag, img, input tag, meta tag. These are all the various tags which have only the open tag but not having the closed tag, right? So here the first, and we know that first and foremost tag is the doc type HTML. So the doc type HTML tag doesn't have the closed tag, it has only open tag. So when the doc type HTML purpose is to, it tells the browser that the document is loaded in an HTML document. So followed by doc type HTML, the parent tag is nothing but the HTML. The root tag is nothing but the HTML tag. So the HTML tag syntax is there is a open tag, body of the state document, then the closed tag, right? So HTML tag is the root element. It is also called as a parent tag. So the child tag of HTML is nothing but the head tag. Head tag is the first child of HTML tag. So the head tag gives the additional information about the web page, right? So the best example of the head tag is the meta tag. Meta tag always provides an information about the document, right? So the syntax of head tag is head tag, open tag, followed by meta tag, which provides an information about the web document, and followed by the closed tag. So the next child of the head tag is nothing but the title tag. Title tag is used to denote the title of a web page, correct? So title tag is used to give the title of the HTML document. They followed by body tag. So inside the body tag only we are giving all the content to our web page, right? So the syntax of body tag is open tag as well as the close tag, correct? So then so far we learned about what is a HTML. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language. It is made up, the programming language is made up of tags. So each and every tag having an open tag as well as close tag. So the open tag and close tags are called as a paired tags. There are some few tags which doesn't have a close tag, that is called as a void tag. So the first tag is a doc type HTML, and the parent tag is a HTML tag, and the child tag is head tag. So the child to head tag is the title tag. So then after that we just going for the body of the statement is called the body tag. So inside the body tag we are giving all the tags which used to insert a content to our web page. So here there are some few unclosed tags are available, which is also called as a void elements, that is called or break tag. The break tag is moves the cursor to the next line. For example, I used the break tag next to tags, mean the immediately the or this the rest of the sentence goes to the next line. Then HR tag is used to insert a horizontal row in our web page. Image tag is used to insert an image in our web page, and meta tag is used to provide an information about the web page. Okay, so this is a challenge type. The HTML is a markup language. There are 6 types of heading tags. It starts from
H1 to H2, right? So what is the closing tag? Mandatory one is a slash. So this is the correct one. In here the black slash is not available, so it will be a error, right? Then text tag. Text. There are some few text tag which is p tag is used to insert a paragraph into our web page. Span tag it is used to group some of few words into a within a paragraph, grouping some words is and applying some specific style to that group of words by using a span tag. Strong tag to make our text as a bold, and em emphasize tag is emphasis tag is used to make our text as italic. Then there are, we know that there are 6 types of heading tags starts from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So the H1 tag is the largest size, title size, and this H6 that denotes the smallest heading size. Okay. Then anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to insert a hyperlink in our web page. So anchor tag is used to insert hyperlink moves from one page to another page inside a website is a anchor tag. Link tag is used to move from one page to another page within the HTML document. So then the next tag is the list tag. List tag is used to list out set of items in a random order or in a specific order. To list some of item in a specific order, we are going for the ordered list. So here we see there are 4 set of item which is listed as a numbered wise, right? If we need to denote set of items in a random order, we are going for the unordered list. In meanwhile, if we need to list a set of item with their description, we are going for the description list. Description list list out the elements in an with some information about that particular item is called as a description list. So the list tag is nothing but the li tag. Inside the li tag we can insert set of item in a order list in a ol tag will be used, and for unordered list ul tag will be used, and for description list dl tag is used. Inside the dl tag we are using 2 types of tag. dt so description tag and description data to provide additional information about the particular item. So this is some quiz to recollect our knowledge, right? So HTML is nothing but a markup language. CSS is used for apply styles to our HTML used to create a web page. CSS is used to apply styling to our web page. So the dynamic form of HTML is nothing but XHTML. Which of the following can be linked with HTML and CSS? HTML and CSS is linked with the JavaScript, right? So the next one is the table tag. Table tag is used to insert a table in our web page. So the table tag has 3 types of tag. So to insert a heading to our table, we are using th tag. To insert a row in our table, we are using tr tag, table row. To insert the data into our table, we are using the td tag. So table, inside the table tag, we are using table heading, table row and table data. So with this, we created a table with 4 rows, and we inserted the table heading by using the time, days, Monday, Tuesday is a table heading by using th tag, inserting the data by using the td tag, and inserting the row by using the tr tag, right? So we just learned about the introduction about HTML and what are all the tags available in the HTML language to create a web page, right? So I hope this session provides a recollection about the HTML language. Thank you.